Hello, it's Crystal with Organize Your Joy, and I'm excited to invite you to my scripture study. As you can see, I pre-paint my pages. Um, we've got pumpkins, and here's just a flower. I just love doing these. It's so much fun. So what you do is write the date. So it's September 12th, 2024, and then I write the paint acronym, P for prayer. I felt God tell me I need to act like Corinne's here, because I get a lot of work done when I have Corinne here. So act like Corinne's here for 2 hours, because we might not work together, but I can act like she's here. And then I also need to paint for 2 hours. For 2 hours. And that's going to be kind of hard because it's a busy day. But so affirmation. So what do I want to manifest in my life? I want to help people have more joyful family memories, especially through their dinners, so that moms aren't feeling the weight of dinner time, but they're feeling like it's a time of joy and love and connection. So why, by the grace of Jesus, do I inspire moms to experience love and connection at dinner time? Okay, so now my subconscious mind and my guardian angels and my heart and my, soul knows what I really, really want. I need to find an inspired verse. So now I'm going to grab the Bible and the Book of Mormon. I'm going to ask God for my verse. So, sometimes it's like the book that feels lighter. So I'm feeling it's the Book of Mormon. This is actually a triple combination: Book of Mormon, Doctrine and Covenants, and the Pearl of Great Price. And so I'm going to listen to my heart and see where it leads me. So Alma 63, some of these chapters I get told what to read, the same verse over and over and over. And this one, I know what the message is that God is always reminding me of. It's this beautiful verse in verse 2, and another verse that's too personal to share, but verse 2, it says, "And he was a just man, and he did walk uprightly before God, and he did observe to do good continually, to keep the commandments of the Lord his God, and also did his brother." And so I love the scripture because it says to me that God is saying, your children are going to keep the commandments, and and their brothers. So I just love it. Like God's saying to me, you're a just woman, and, you're going to have some of these blessings of having a righteous posterity, which is the greatest thing a mom could ever want, in my opinion. So I'm going to write down that verse, Alma 63, verse 2. So, he did walk uprightly. You don't have to write the whole verse. You can just write, and you could just write some of the verse. And also did his brother. The great wish of my heart. Wish of my heart. Okay, then N is write a negative belief and a new belief. So let me think what my negative belief is. I'm not going to get anything done today because I'm in the mood to take a nap and muddle around doing nothing but just cleaning up here and there. I'm not going to get anything done today. Done. Today, I'm not in the mood. I wish I wasn't such an emotional type person that goes based on my mood, but my new belief is I read my scriptures, and whenever I read my scriptures, it's like an ADHD pill for me or something. I mean, I don't have ADHD, but I have ADHD tendencies, and if I read my scriptures, God blesses me to be able to focus. I read my scriptures, so God is going to bless me to focus. And then my tiny task. I need to put away 20 things today because I've gone shopping at garage sales on several Saturdays, and I need to put away all this loot because I don't have any empty laundry baskets because they're all full of all the, Christmas gifts and doodads. So that is put away 20 items. I can do this. I can put away 20 items and then I'll free up a laundry basket. So that is how to do the PAINT scripture study method. I hope you'll try it. Remember the acronym PAINT. It really is awesome.